Today on Simple Things Around the Shop. 3 forging mistakes that hurt. Burns and hitting yourself with a hammer, those are some obvious things you want to avoid while you're in the shop. Just remember though that there are some less obvious things that you should avoid. Check out these 3 common mistakes. Mistake number 1, thumb saddling. If you have a background in carpentry or framing, you probably have driven nails using a grip very similar to this. When your hammer makes contact with the metal, the anvil will redirect some of the downward force back upward toward your hand like a dribbled basketball. If your thumb saddles the back of the hammer, it directly absorbs the rebound, which can cause permanent damage to the tissues and joints in your thumb over time. Make sure you keep your grip rounded to avoid this issue, like holding a tennis racket. Mistake number 2, shark bait. What a lot of our new students do is they stand way back from the anvil, like they're holding bait out for a shark. While this might seem safe, you're farther away from the hot steel, right? Well, it's not safer. If kept up, this position contributes to inaccurate hits and project slippage, often leading to burns, and will eventually hurt your back and shoulders. To avoid this mistake, try a classic blacksmith's triangle stance. Stand close to the anvil with your dominant foot near the anvil stand like this. Mistake number 3, the Quasimodo. Feeling like the Hunchback of Notre Dame? Your anvil might not be the right height. To check your anvil height, ball your hand into a fist and let it hang limp at your side. Your knuckles should just barely graze the top of the anvil. If you have to bend down to rest your knuckles on the anvil, it's too short. If you have to bend your arm, it's too tall. Once you discover some of these mistakes, the trick is to fix them right away before they become a habit. Ask help if you need assistance. Thanks for watching. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to click subscribe and check out some of the other content we've got on our channel. Mistake number 2, shark bait. Ooh ha ha.